If you sign a ladybird deed, can you still sell your house at any time? You definitely want to make sure, if you are signing a ladybird deed or an enhanced life estate deed, that special language is included in this deed that's common to the deed. And one of the things that it should say is that the person who is being granted the life estate, the current owner of the property, that they are not liable at all for waste, and that they're able to sell, convey, mortgage, lease, or otherwise dispose of the property really in any manner they want without joinder by the remainderman or the beneficiary on the deed. It's called the remainderman, or without their approval. So basically what that means is you definitely want to reserve the right to sell your house, and it should be in there automatically in a ladybird deed. And you should check for this language, because what it means is, yes, you are able to convey the property. You can mortgage the property, reverse mortgage it. You can, sell it, lease it, do whatever you want, and you don't have to ask permission of the beneficiary or the remainderman in order to do so. What I see sometimes is people who think they're printing a ladybird deed online, or they maybe go to an attorney who isn't experienced in drafting these types of deeds. They may get a deed that is either missing this language or sometimes says the opposite, that it does require the joinder of the remainderman or the beneficiary on the deed in order to sell it, convey it, lease it, mortgage. You absolutely do not want to have approval or joining in, like signature-wise, of the beneficiary in order to do things that you're now entitled to do as owner of the property, which would be sell it, mortgage it, convey it, lease it. You want to make sure that you reserve these rights, and that's one of the things that's so special about an enhanced life estate deed, is you absolutely can make sure that is carved out in the deed for you, and you are able to do pretty much whatever you want to do with your property while you're alive and while you're the life estate tenant, and that you don't need approval by the beneficiaries. So good thing to look out for to make sure it's in the deed. If you have any questions about enhanced life estate, ladybird deeds, or anything else related to estate planning or elder law or probate, and you are in the Florida area, please contact my office at atCAUSE Law Office, and the link is in my bio.